Hello students, welcome to Narayana online classes. Day 15 chemistry assignment class 8 topic chemical bonding and subtopic hybridization. First question student, explain the hybridization of carbon in a carbon compounds. Nothing but alkanes, alkenes and alkynes. Now see here alkanes. Here alkanes are the hydrocarbons with single bonds. That means between the carbon and carbon single bonds are present. Next coming to the alkenes. Here are the hydrocarbon, unsaturated hydrocarbons with at least one double bond. Next coming to the alkynes. These are the unsaturated hydrocarbons with at least one triple bond. Now we are taking the example ethane. Here it is ethene, coming to here ethyne. Now we have to predict the hybridization of the carbon atom in a alkanes, alkenes and alkynes. Now see here, first count the steric number. Steric number is equal to number of sigma bonds. Number of sigma bonds, otherwise number of surrounded atoms. Number of sigma bonds plus number of lone pair. Number of lone pair on the central atom. Now coming to here alkanes. Coming to the alkane, here carbon, hydrogen, hydrogen, here carbon, hydrogen, hydrogen and hydrogen. So around this carbon 4 sigma bonds there. So steric number is equal to 4. Then what is the hybridization here? sp3. If you are getting the steric number 2, sp hybridization. Steric number 3, sp2 hybridization. Steric number 4, sp3 hybridization. Steric number 5, sp3d hybridization. So in case of the alkanes, only 4 sigma bonds there, no lone pairs. In case of the alkenes, so we can write like this: hydrogen, hydrogen, double bond, hydrogen, hydrogen, carbon, double bond, carbon. So around this carbon, how many sigma bonds there? 1, 2, 3. Otherwise, how many surrounded atoms? 3 surrounded atoms. So steric number is equal to 3. Then here we get the hybridization sp2. Coming to the alkynes. Here I have taken the example ethyne. Now what is the steric number here? How many sigma bonds there? 2 sigma bond. Triple bond indicates the one sigma bond, 2 double bonds. That means 2 pi bonds. Triple bond indicates the one sigma bond, 2 pi bonds. So here how many sigma bonds there? 2 sigma bonds. So steric number is equal to 2. Then hybridization here sp. So overall in case of the alkanes, hybridization of the carbon is sp3. In the alkenes sp2. In case of the alkynes sp3 hybridization. What is the hybridization of carbon atoms in the given compound? Now see here, the given compound is CH2 double bond, C double bond, CH, CH3. Coming to this carbon, how many sigma bonds there? 3 sigma bonds. No lone pairs. Here 2 sigma bonds with the 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 sigma bond with this carbon atom. So what we are getting the steric number? 3. So what is the hybridization? sp3 hybridization. Now coming to this carbon, around this carbon only 2 sigma bond. Double bond indicates the 1 sigma bond, 1 pi bond. So only 2 sigma bonds. So steric number is equal to 2. Then what is the hybridization of this carbon? sp hybridization. Next coming to this carbon, 1 sigma bond, second sigma bond, third sigma bond. So what is the steric number? 3. So what is the hybridization? sp2. Sorry, here first carbon sp2 nana. Next coming to here 1 sigma bond, 3 sigma bond with hydrogen. So the hybridization of the carbon here is sp3. Here I am giving the short trick to you. Between the carbon and carbon, sigma bonds there, and remaining bonds are satisfying with hydrogen. Then hybridization is sp3. Between the carbon, 2 carbon atoms, double bond there. the hybridization of the carbon will be sp2. Between the two carbon atom, triple bond there, sp hybridization. And that means here we have to remember the remaining bond has to be satisfied with hydrogen. Next, in case the carbon with adjacent double bonds, then the hybridization of this carbon will be sp hybridization. Only single bonds between the carbon, sp3 double bond, sp2 triple bond, sp carbon with two adjacent double bonds, sp hybridization. Now see here it is our third question. What is the hybridization of carbons in the CH3 C double bond O, C triple bond CH? Now coming to the answer, CH3 C double bond O, C triple bond CH. Here I told to you, if the carbon attached with the triple bond with the carbon, other carbon. So what is the short trick here? sp hybridization. Here also sp hybridization. Here this carbon. How many sigma bonds there? One sigma bond, second one, third one. So what is the steric number? 3. So what is the hybridization of this carbon? sp2. Next coming to here, between the carbon sigma bond and remaining 3 bonds with hydrogen. So what is the steric number? 4. So what is the hybridization of this carbon atom? sp3. If we compare here, one sigma bond with the hydrogen, one sigma bond with this carbon. So what is the steric number? 2. sp hybridization. So we can find different ways. That we see here. Steric number is equal to 2. Then what will get hybridization? sp. Steric number is equal to 3. What is the hybridization? sp2. Steric number is equal to 4. What is the hybridization? sp3. What is the steric number here? The number of sigma bonds plus the number of lone pair of electrons present on the central atom. Now see here, coming to the fourth question, how many sp, sp2, sp3 carbons are present in the following compound? Already told to you one short trick, carbon single bond carbon with other carbon, sp3 hybridization with one double bond, sp2 with one triple bond, sp hybridization, adjacent two double bonds, sp hybridization. So here triple bond there, sp hybridization. Otherwise one sigma bond with hydrogen, one sigma bond with carbon, no lone pairs. So steric number 2. So what is the hybridization here? sp. Here also hybridization sp. Here this carbon, one sigma bond with this carbon, another one with hydrogen, another one with carbon. Otherwise having double bond now, so directly we can write sp2 hybridization. Next coming to this carbon, here also hybridization sp2, attachment with double bond now. Next this carbon single bond, so the hybridization will be sp3. Here also the hybridization of this carbon will be sp3. 3 sigma bonds with hydrogen, 1 sigma bond with other carbon atom. So steric number is equal to 4. So what is the hybridization? sp3. So now what is asking? How many sp hybrid carbons are there? 2. Next, how many sp2 hybrid carbon atoms are there? 2. How many sp3 hybrid carbon atoms are there? 2. So it is our answer.